When Pete Edochie enters a movie, you already know the room will become quiet. His voice, his proverbs, and his presence created the kind of character Nollywood still struggles to replace.
If you fall and get up, that's what makes you a man. If you fall and you remain on the ground where you fell, you have no claim to manhood.
Many actors became famous because they are loud. But Pete Edochie, he became famous for almost the opposite. He could sit in a chair, look at another character, speak slowly and say only a few words. Somehow, those words carried weight. That became one of the strongest parts of his acting style. His deep voice, serious expression, and calm delivery made him different from many actors of his generation. But his greatest strength was not simply his voice. It was the wisdom he brought into his characters. In 1987, Pete Edochie played Okonkwo in the NTA television adaptation of Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart. This became the role that defined his character. Okonkwo was not a simple character. He was a strong man who loved his culture, but was also afraid of being considered weak. Pete Edochie brought those qualities to life so well that many Nigerians began to associate him with the character. The performance also attracted international attention, including an interview with the BBC. For many people, this was the moment Pete Edochie stopped being just an actor and became a legend. As Nollywood grew, Pete Edochie found himself playing characters that matched his natural screen presence. He became the king, he became the chief, he became the father. He became the respected elder who entered a family meeting and immediately changed the mood. One of his memorable films was Igodo, where he played an important elder and leader who helped guide his people. His roles often placed him in positions where other characters had to listen to him. That was not an accident. Filmmakers understood what audiences already knew. Pete Edochie looked and sounded believable as a man who had seen many things in life. There is another reason Pete Edochie became so popular. Proverbs. He became closely associated with African proverbs and traditional expressions. Sometimes, instead of giving a long explanation, his character would use one short proverb. The audience was then left to understand the lesson behind it. This became part of his identity. Even outside movies, people began sharing sayings associated with Pete Edochie because they saw him as someone whose words carried experience. His style helped keep the traditional African elder alive on screen. The interesting thing about Pete Edochie is that his reputation for wisdom did not completely disappear when the camera stopped recording. In interviews, he has often spoken about marriage, family, society, culture, and the choices people make. His words showed the same quality people had seen in his movie. He has also spoken about the dangers of copying other people's behavior without understanding the consequences. These views helped strengthen the public image of Pete Edochie as more than an actor. He became someone many people wanted to hear. Pete Edochie's fame has lasted for decades. That is unusual in an industry where new stars appear every year. His face became connected with traditional African authority. His voice became recognizable. His proverbs became part of popular culture, and his performances influenced how later Nigerian actors played kings, chiefs, and elder characters. Even younger audiences who did not grow up watching Things Fall Apart still recognize him. His appearance in newer productions and comedy projects has introduced him to another generation. Pete Edochie's legacy is not based on one movie. It is based on consistency. For decades, he played characters who represented authority, tradition, and family experiences. But perhaps his greatest achievement is that he made people listen. When Pete Edochie speaks in a movie, viewers expect a lesson. When he tells a proverb, people pay attention. And when he plays an elder, the character feels natural. That is why Pete Edochie is more than a veteran actor. He is a living legend of Nigerian cinema and one of the country's most recognizable voices of wisdom. Many actors have played kings, many have played fathers, many have spoken proverbs, but Pete Edochie made those roles part of his identity. And decades after his breakthrough as Okonkwo, the voice of Pete Edochie still carries the sound of an elder whose words are worth hearing. Please do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment in the comment section about something you remember of Pete Edochie. Thank you.